What's up, guys? Beautiful morning of January 30th, 9:40 a.m. Obviously, there's been a few market moves already. It's Mex here, by the way. It's been a beautiful morning. Again, for those of you that are new, just found the channel. This is a channel where you're following the average 40 hours a week guy. Started with $100 at the beginning of the month, and we're at 652 towards the end of January. So that's a good sign, right? And it's just showing that everybody can do it. Yes, I do have another account in Thinkorswim. Um, that is a little bit over this. This is just I just started Robinhood just to be able to start this series and hold myself accountable. I feel like it's working as far as keeping up to it and all that good stuff. So yes, just make sure that anybody can do it, not putting a lot of money in here and there. Whenever I do put money in, I do mention it in my videos. But yes, we're at $651. The update for today, obviously yesterday. We bought SOFI when it was pumping. We bought it at 8 something, I believe. We sold at 9 something for the swing trade this morning. So that was a decent little gain. Again, not a lot of profit like all these other people, but it's something to start. We're getting there. Once we get the big monies, then we can start making the bigger moves. Mara, we bought yesterday at 17. I can't remember what it was. I think we bought it the dip in the morning. So it might have been like 17, 15. I don't even remember what it was. I think it was seven. It was 17 something, and then we sold this morning at around 1904, I believe it was. Then so that was another nice little decent gain, and then because I wanted to sell the SoFi and Mara first, then around what 9 in the morning I started looking at the infamous penny stocks. Why? Because I finally had a day trade left. I finally got one of my day trades back. So I think I'm gonna get another one to tomorrow. I would have to verify. I finally got a day trade back. I did notice a couple of low float penny stocks, but the one I decided to jump on is I'll show you. It wasn't RVSN, but RVSN has had a decent, not decent, an amazing run the past couple of days. I've been eyeing this one, waiting for it to go in, but I decided not to because, in my opinion, it was too high, and obviously it kept going higher. It was the gift that kept on giving for anybody that went in that. So congratulations if you went in that and made some money. Um, and you never know, it might still keep pumping. I know that the all-time high is 25. So that's another reason why I felt like I could find something else, and let me tell you, I did. I found this beautiful one with the low float, everything this morning. Look at that. Pre-market, $8, ran all the way to 20. It was not 20. I think it ran to 20.85. There you go, 20.85. Now I was still a little bit skeptical in the morning when I was looking at it right here because it had already ran. Uh, then I saw it. I saw the breakout around right there, and I saw it pump up. Then I saw it dip again, and then right here, once it passed the little breakout right here, that's when I decided to buy. And I'm like, okay, if I'm a FOMO in the breakout, and thankfully I did. I sold. I should have sold at 20.30 or something, but was very volatile. So whenever I tried selling, it kept loading, and it loaded from 20.30 some to like 19.12. But hey, a profit's a profit. So I still made a big profit, and after that move, obviously we are right here. Now, only regret, if you ask me, is not putting in more money because I didn't put all the money we had, all the buying power, cash, whatever you want to call it, um, in. I only put up, I think, around $290 because obviously it is a risky play. You never know, but hey, a profit's a profit. Green is green, correct? Now, what am I looking at for the end of the day to try to swing trade for the morning? Obviously, I've been talking about it the past week and a half, even with the earnings. It's still having a lot of volatility, especially after good earnings, which is surprising. I mean, this stock has always been volatile, but even after positive earnings, um, it's still rough. So that's the surprising part. So I'll be looking at this a lot throughout the day, maybe towards the end of the day. The volatility, the RSI, the volume, everything. And then I might jump depending on how it ends up at close day. Now, Let me see. The other one is Mara. I'm also doing a lot of movements with this one. As you can tell, a lot of volatility. And then you go the past week, a lot of ups and downs. So hey, I might jump in that one and do the same thing on the swing trade. Again, depends on RSI and everything. Um, then the last one is Riot. We all know Mara and Riot for all that Bitcoin crypto pump going on, volatility as well in crypto and Riot. But this is another one that I might try to swing trade depending on how the day ends again, or if there's any major news that I might miss towards the end of the day. So yes, Riot, Mara, and SoFi is what I will be looking at towards the end of the day to see if I jump again. That is what I am doing. If you are watching this and trying to look for some type of advice, I'm not your guy. I'm just showing you what I'm gonna do, the moves that I'm trying to make, looking at to increase this right here, increase my portfolio. Show you that anybody can do it. 40 hours a week, dude, you can do it as well. I could have sworn it was 100 and something, but okay, I guess it's $89. Sorry, I got the sidetrack. But yes, it is not financial advice. It's just telling you what I'm doing, what I'm going to do. Now, if there's no play today, I already made decent gains for the day. Yes, it could have been more, but still, I made decent gains. So with that being said, I might not even make a move at the end of closing. I might just wait. I'm pretty sure I do have my day trade tomorrow. I'd have to check. If I do have my day trade tomorrow, I can try to make a move there. But other than that, I don't have anything else for y'all. Hopefully I enjoyed. Hopefully I liked the journey. And as always, guys, hope you enjoyed.